It's Sunday, July 13th, 2014, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. As of 11 in the morning, here's what's going on across the region. It's mostly cloudy, although the morning rain and storms have cleared. For now, we have a cold front pushing in from the northwest. You can see these clouds stretching from just north of Cleveland towards northwestern Ohio. That is along a cold front. And some of those clouds may eventually bubble into some showers and storms by this afternoon. And you can see a few more showers trying to fire here in southwestern Ohio, so a few scattered storms could redevelop this afternoon. We'll look at that more in just a minute. Taking a look across the entire country now, there is a cold front extending from north of Lake Ontario west through parts of Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, all the way into parts of New Mexico, and a few scattered showers and storms will fire along that today. The best severe risk will probably be from the Ohio Valley, including parts of Ohio, east-northeast through parts of Pennsylvania and New York today. It is seasonably warm in the south, temperatures in the upper 80s. They'll get into the 90s in a lot of those areas today, and it's unseasonably cool across the upper Midwest, and some of that cooler air is going to work its way towards Ohio over the next couple of days. We'll look at that just a bit more in a minute. But first, coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers, Saturday we did 85 and 63, which was pretty close to normal. The averages for today are 83 and 65. Records are 95, 51. We had a trace of rainfall at Hopkins yesterday. We're still running below normal on the monthly precipitation, well above normal on the yearly precipitation, and we're setting the sun at 9:01 p.m. tonight. So looking ahead through the rest of today, a few scattered showers and storms will redevelop this afternoon as that cold front moves through, and we'll show you this on Futurecast in just a second. Temperatures are going to warm into the lower 80s this afternoon. It will be humid, and a few storms could be strong to severe. Again, more on that in just a second. And then tonight, behind this little cold front, we're going to clear out. Any storms will end, lows in the mid to upper 60s. All right, taking a look ahead now on one of our forecast computer models, you can see those morning showers and storms pulling away, but you can see this wind shift where the arrows change direction. That's what they cold front, and as soon as that front moves in off of Lake Erie, this model starts firing storms, which seems reasonable. They may even fire a little bit earlier than that, so lakeshore counties, you may need to watch for some showers, maybe some thunder through about 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Then you'll be dry, it looks like. And then this model really develops storms as they gradually push south with that cold front, which would indicate potentially a nice little severe threat in parts of southern and central Ohio. We'll look at that more in a minute. Either way, as we head into tonight, expect things to dry out. There could be some lingering storms in our southern counties this evening, but most of us will have a dry overnight. Again, maybe a stray shower through the overnight, but most of us will be dry. Now, as we head into Monday, you can see the southerly winds return as a second, much stronger cold front moves in. Most of Monday will be dry, it looks like. However, as we head into the afternoon and evening, as this very potent, for this time of year, this is a very strong cold front coming in. As that approaches, it could spark off more showers and storms Monday afternoon and evening, and some of those could also be severe with damaging winds. So it's going to be an active next couple of days. We're going to have the severe threat today, and then potentially a little bit more tomorrow. So with that said, here is where we are most concerned about severe weather today. We removed the lakeshore counties from the severe threat for today. Again, it may rain or storm briefly in the lakeshore counties through about 1 or 2 o'clock, but the best severe threat will be to the south. In our far southeastern counties, we actually have a medium risk. That means that there may be a more organized severe threat. The main threat today will be damaging winds. There could be a little hail. I think the tornado threat is pretty low as it sits right now, but stay tuned, especially south of our lakeshore counties. Maybe a little bit of severe today. All right, taking a look ahead now on our big picture forecast charts, you can see this large lobe of cold air with a large upper level low pressure system, very unusual for this time of year, drops into the Great Lakes to start the work week. That pushes that strong cold front through tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, we are much cooler than normal for the middle of July. Temperatures for highs might struggle to hit 70, and there could even be a few lake effect rain showers east of Cleveland off of Lake Erie. Luckily, the heart of that cool air only sticks around a couple of days. As we head into Thursday and Friday, that gradually pulls out. Again, we're not going to see any heat waves through the next week, but we will gradually begin to warm up as we head into next weekend. So on your 7-day forecast, you can see that big cool down. Again, some storms are likely tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, and some of those could produce some strong winds with highs in the low 80s tomorrow. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, highs, if we're lucky, getting above 70, with maybe a few showers, especially downwind to Lake Erie. And there could be a few water spouts over Lake Erie due to this much cooler than normal air mass moving over the lake waters, which are in the lower 70s. And then as we head towards Thursday, Friday, Saturday, look for us to dry out. It's going to be a very nice stretch of weather to end the work weekend, head into next weekend with temperatures gradually warming. All right, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for logging on. Check us out again tomorrow.